Good people. Now, today is not just about music. I want to share something very, very important that makes everyday life very, very easier. You know, sometimes you want to make a transfer from one bank to another bank and it takes hours, even days, and sometimes you want to pay your motari and then he say, oh, I only use Airtel money, nothing else, but you only use Momo. Yeah, it happens to everyone. It happened to me. Yes, I know how it feels. Now, imagine if moving money was like driving on a public road, open for everyone, fast and secure. That's what eCash is. So eCash connects all banks, mobile wallet, and SACCOs. So, my friends, whether you are sending money to a friend or you are paying for goods, it moves instantly. No waiting, no stress. It's simple when you send or pay. So Zadiru na eCash.